Hey, so what's the telltale sign when you need new 4 pans?
Yabba dabba doo!
Noisy. What is that?
I can't hear that anyway. Literally, I cannot hear that.
All right, what is this bucket of goo?
So, if you guys ever wondered what happens when a gas tank sits for 50 years?
Yes, we've all wondered that.
I know I have. So, this is pressure washer, Dawn dish soap, and a lot of Dawn dish soap, and what was left out of the inside of the tank as I cleaned it.
Disgusting.
And then there's a bunch of chemistry that I've got to do to finish cleaning the inside of the tank. Still got to do an acid wash on the inside. Mm-hmm. One more thing on mineral spirits, and we call it good. Let it air out, and we can put it back in after I paint the outside, because you can't really put a dirty tank back in.
No.
So
wow.
That's what I'm doing.
It smells funky.
I like it.
You like the smell?
No.
I just said it smells funky.
No,
like,
but I like it. It's like, it's a 2 or
who says this?
2-year-old tank.
What is it?
1 or 2 year only tank.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And it's.
You can't buy them anymore.
Whose car?
Hersker.
Okay. So. Very cool. All right, Darren.
And then I have all this view.
Yeah, you do. It's a good sunny day. So, Darren, what on earth? We have how many Beetles out here?
Well, there's 5 in a row right there, and this guy's sitting here, and then there's 1 in front of the trailer. If you look from this angle over here, you see them all in it.
Wow.
We got a convertible out there, and then we got 5 of those.
Yep.
So we have a 65, a 66, and 3 72 Supers.
That's
all together.
Wow.
And then this 64 Herbie, he's going home. We're literally waiting on the transfer.
Go home, Herbie. We're waiting for a truck to show up right there. But for real, it's happening.
His truck,
this is not a drill.
The truck to come, and he's going to drive out. We're drive out to the truck, put it on there. And then we've got all these are new to work on, and so that's what we got.
That's awesome.
Now we'll walk through some of these other.
Yeah.
Our square back at Burton here, we're waiting on a couple things still to come in before we can put it, lock it up.
Okay.
And Spook's working on the gas tank for the gas tank you talked about is for Hersker.
Yeah.
So he wanted to use his original humpback. It's a 1960 tank. We couldn't find another one.
Right.
And so he didn't want to put a new, different type of tank. So we had to do all the work that you saw, all the debris coming out of the tank. And he's still working on it. Then we're going to paint it. So he wants to paint it the old school VW gray.
Oh, all right.
And so we're going to go with that.
There you go. A
little bit of work versus
restoration.
New one, yeah. Restoring the old tank. We got Mr. Parkin. I ordered his. Finally, got the rest of his convertible rubber parts came in, and so they're shipping those.
Okay.
Kit, and we'll be able to get his top going. They put his motor back in, so his motor's sitting back in here.
So it's just all original. Like we're not doing wiring.
We didn't do anything with the motor. It was running. They had a wiring problem, so we put a new wiring harness. So now they're going to make the wiring harness with the motor, get it running right. It had an old push button. You had to turn the switch on and hold your knee up just right to get it to start. So. We brought in a professional drone.
We got a real drone guy here.
It's going to drone some of the work here.
Hey, Daryl.
So, hello. Yeah. So we got Riley. I got a confirmation email that Mr. Riley's motor shipped yesterday. That's definitely, we've been talking about it too, but this is definitely, I got a confirmation from the shipping company. So
that's exciting.
It's going to be here in a couple of days.
Nice.
Obviously, we're still waiting on some stuff for Gazzo. Range, literally, they got the heater deals done inside of it.
Oh, yeah?
So it's all done interior, all the wiring, everything's all buttoned up.
Just the doors.
We're doing some adjustments on the door. Still just got to get those lined just right. They're closing, but they're just not right. And we're going to get it all lined up. And it's literally going to be put on the ground and rolled outside here in the next week or so, hopefully.
You're going to get some stairs. Tell us about, you did the test drive with Herbie.
Yeah.
What happened? You pulled it over to take some pictures.
Yeah. Everybody wanted to stop for Herbie. Wanted to take pictures, so I was there for 30, 40 minutes with paparazzi. We had paparazzi for Herbie.
Darned paparazzi.
Anyway. So.
All right. What's
Mr.
going on with
Hersker's
Hersker
cars,
here?
like I said, he's doing the tank for it. That literally is going to be the last thing that goes in there, and then they can wire up that part of it, and we can put gas in her and start her. So,
fantastic!
A whole bunch of fuel filters.
Yeah, with a whole bunch of fuel filters. So, and we'll probably run through that several times and then change
because of the goo. Yeah.
So but anyways, after that, so we've been holding off on that. The interior is pretty much done, so we'll have to put all the stuff back in there. His wiring's done, the switches are done. The motor's obviously in. Jeremy's he got the window regulars and the glass all put in and working, so he's going to put the door cards on today, and then the interior will be done. So we're done waiting on that. And if we walk out here, Miss Boggan's car went to glass. It hasn't come back yet, but I think we did last week.
Yeah, we showed the pans. Yep. So, but I don't think they were in.
Okay, so now they're in, the new ones. And then all the parts. So while we've got it to this stage, this is the time to replace all your little stuff. So we're putting all new brake lines, all new rubber, everything. It's all getting new while it's sitting there, so it's ready when it comes back.
Yeah.
Here, if you follow me, we got all kinds of stuff out here. A little plug, I guess. The bus is for sale over here.
Still for sale. If you're interested, it's a 77 Westy.
I think. I don't remember.
I think it's a 77, 78. Can't remember.
It is a 78.
Yes. All right. Westy, tin top, camper.
Yep, so
much loved.
If you want it, it's sitting here. Come on by.
Yeah.
And we got Mr. Bauer's bus.
Right.
He got a new motor, and then we had a problem with the motor, and we had to get another motor, and that's the new motor back in there.
Ooh, shiny.
So we're going to test and tune it a little bit and drive it a bunch before we tell him to come pick it up this time.
Yeah.
Yes, please do drive it.
It's always crazy if a brand
new
one.
Going, and then the little yellow bus, we always talk about it, but we don't really show it. That's Mr. St. Pierre's, and it's their little family bus, and they ordered a new motor. So that motor's being built right now, little Type 4 motor. And when it comes in, we'll put it in there. These two over here, the brown one is a Vanagon.
Yeah.
Yes, if you guys, all your VW experts, that is a water-cooled van, but all we were doing was brakes. So pretty much whole new brakes on it, and it's going home.
Okay.
And then this over here
Disco
is Mr. Abel's, and it's his little, you saw it out back, and it's done.
It's done.
We got it running.
All
we got it stopping, so he's going to come get it.
It's ready to party.
Have a good time. So
Disco bus, go home.
Yeah.
Disco.
Buses go home, period. Look how many buses I got here. Beetles out back, buses out front.
That's true. That's true.
And then we've got Crazy Uncle Floyd.
We talked about that. That's for sale. So
on my schedule to watch it.
We got,
it's kind of dirty.
Bug-A-Paluza coming up.
Yep.
So we'll be there. We're plugging that.
8th and 10th.
Nice.
So
of April.
He'll be there for one of the days, coming out to visit people.
Oh yeah.
You want to see his face.
Should he wear a kilt? Yeah.
You want to see his face in reality instead of TV? Come on out there to Chattanooga. And then it went back to the old format, so it's going to be 2 days. And it's going to be at the original
Camp Jordan
place.
again.
Camp Jordan, which is a great facility.
It is.
And it's for Ronald McDonald House, so it's always.
It's kind of like the first sign of spring, you know.
Usually is, and it usually rains one of the days.
Yeah, totally rains. Yep.
So.
All right.
There we go. That's what we
exciting
got going on
things. Are we still hiring?
We are
still hiring. Please. Come on down.
One out sick today and 2 sick here today. Yeah, so we're getting stuff done. We did get a lot done. A lot went home last week.
Yeah.
3 or 4 went home last week.
That's amazing.
4 went home last week. One's going home today, and we're close on a couple others. So
that's fantastic.
Yeah, we're waiting on that stuff. But anyway, so you should start seeing some new stuff being worked on here soon.
All
it's here. We just got to start working on it.
Sounds good. So should we film it when Herbie leaves?
Oh,
we're definitely filming that. No,
so
we're not missing.
We'll tack that on, guys.
Every camera I can in the neighborhood, and I might even steal the neighbors.
Oh boy.
We didn't go over it, but everybody that watches the videos that saw Fergie,
right.
It's gone.
Oh yes.
It went home, and I don't know if we show that video. Is that video?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, but it will be.
Yeah.
But there's Fergie 2s out back. We have another car.
That's true.
Fergie, so Fergie 2's here.
And for you guys who are doing restorations with us and are on our waiting list, that man has actually been on our waiting list
for a long time.
Years.
Yeah. We're good. We're good.
Absolutely. So he was actually probably.
And it's not a full restoration either. So.
Right. Yeah.
We're just gonna basically freshen up the paint and redo the interior.
Yeah.
That's good.
Nice.
You know, some people do, and the only reason I say that is because some people have called me from the videos and said, "Hey, you guys said 7 cars went home last week. What happened?" But they're all shop work, what I call shop work cars. They're not getting full restoration.
Yeah, there's 2 categories. We got restos, we got shop work.
This, or we put a new dash on it, or adjust the motor. That's all that stuff is. So
all you restoration folks who are wanting to get in here, talk to this man in the office. Let's send us an email.
Yeah. info@airkooledkustoms.com. There you go. All right, folks.
This
well,
is what we do. Goodbye, nice people thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye, nice people.